Marvel, Spidey, and his amazing friends, superhero Hiccups. That's called Hiccup. Oops. Spidey and Miles are superheroes. Someone set off an alarm at the library. It means that the alarm at the library is ringing. That's what it means. Set off an alarm. They made the alarm go off. Mal see Green Goblin glider. He must be inside. See? You see some Green Goblin glider. Miles can turn invisible. He will sneak up on Green Goblin. You see? He can turn invisible. Spidey and Miles head inside. Miles sees Green Goblin reading a book. The heroes try to stop Green Goblin, but Miles has Hiccup. Green Goblin throws pumpkin pranks. Again, throwing pumpkins. Miles tries to thwip a web, but he hiccups again. Green Goblin leaves to find Power Sword. Got the Power Sword. Miles thinks his hiccup ruined everything, but Spidey says it is okay. Spidey says, when a plan doesn't go my way, I just try something else to save the day. Remember that. When your plan doesn't go your way, try something else. Miles feels better. We must find the Power Sword before Goblin does. Miles says, Spidey takes a picture of the book Goblin was reading. Maybe they will find a clue. The heroes go to the web quarters. Ghost Spider looks for clues. Can she find the Power Sword? But Miles still has hiccups. He almost zaps his friends with his arachno sting. There's his arachno sting. Ghost Spider finds the Power Sword. It is at the museum. Miles wants to stay. He thinks his hiccups will cause trouble. But even with his hiccups, Miles can still help. The team goes to the museum. They will get the Power Sword before Green Goblin does. The heroes get the swords, but Green Goblin takes it. Miles still has hiccups, but he must save his friends. Miles uses his invisibility power. He pretends to be a ghost. Miles hiccups and zaps again. Green Goblin is very afraid. He thinks it's a real ghost. Green Goblin drops the sword. Miles takes the Power Sword. Miles frees his friends with the Power Sword. Green Goblin tries to escape, but the Spidey team catches him in their webs. The Spidey team wins, and Miles' hiccups are gone. Look, they trapped him. But now Green Goblin has hiccups. Now he has the hiccups. Sorry, Goblin. The word alarm in the story is a device that warns of danger. So if you look around your house, you'll see your fire alarm. And it will beep if the house gets too smoky or if it has a fire. Library is a place with large collection of books. Invisible means something that cannot be seen. Legendary is like a famous story told for hundreds and hundreds of years. A hiccups is a sudden gulping sound. Pranks is a trick. And Web Quarters is the secret place where Spidey, Ghost Spider, and Miles meet. Superhero Hiccups.